Hi, my name is Brett Beto. I work for Oregon Tool. Recently, we had a opportunity to work for disaster relief for Hurricane Helene. We deployed 2 trailers, one to Valdosta and one to Western North Carolina. I was able to volunteer with the Western North Carolina team, and during a 1-week period, we fixed over 400 chainsaws using VP Fix-It fuel, simply by dumping the old gas out of the tank, dumping Fix-It fuel in the tank, priming the system, and pulling the saw. I was amazed at how well it worked to bring those older saws back to life. We put together a trailer, and our purpose is to go into these areas that are affected by disasters with a lot of tree damage. The team put together a trailer. We go in and sharpen chains for free. We try to help people get chainsaws running that maybe haven't started for a while. And that's where VP came in. They were nice enough to partner with us on some of the early storms and started donating fuel to help support us. And that's really where I first got exposed to VP products and Fix-It fuel. And honestly, I was skeptical at first, but the VP Fix-It fuel really works. Can makes a bold statement, but I've been in this industry a while, and you see a lot of products that make claims like that. I've not experienced any that really worked. Really, we all fight for the chance to go out and work under these kind of conditions, and it makes you feel good. I mean, these people are generally happy. Some of them couldn't get the saw started themselves. Some of them took it somewhere and they were told it couldn't be fixed, and we're kind of their last resort at this point. And a lot of them said they would go buy a saw if they could find it, but the stores were washed out. They just couldn't get a saw. So they had to get these older saws running, and couldn't have done it without VP's help.